Elowyn's Swim Journey, Episode 11.
Kick a scoop.
We teach Elowyn to kick her feet and scoop her hands so that she can move around the pool all by herself.
We didn't focus on this skill until Elowyn had good breath control and body position, but we have been working on it since she was a tiny little baby. Swishing her through the water and letting her explore her own kicks, moving herself forward on a barbell.
Elowyn likes to practice her kicks while holding on to a platform or the stairs so that she can really focus on what her feet are doing.
She loves making big splashes. She'll do it all day with her cousins.
It's important to teach little swimmers that kicking and pulling moves them through the water.
Teaching her cause and effect might mean letting her fall off a barbell because she stopped kicking.
The more opportunities we give her to get where she needs to go independently, the better.
A goal, like a toy, can be the perfect motivation to get a child to move themselves through the water.
Reaching for toys teaches them to extend their arms far in front of their body before they pull, which is a much more effective way to swim than taking short little doggy paddle strokes.
First we taught Elowyn how to kick, then we taught her how to pull, and then we taught her how to do them both at the same time.
After helping her kick and pull with her face out of the water, we let her practice swimming underwater from point to point, encouraging her to kick and pull until she got to her destination.
At 23 months old, Elowyn loves swimming from person to person. Sometimes, the more hang time we give her, the more she'll explore how she can move her body forward through the water. Sometimes she looks like a little inchworm, sometimes one arm's really going, and sometimes she really gets those flutter kicks down. But the important thing is that she gets to play, explore, and find her own sense of moving independently.
Hey Elowyn, what's your next video about?
Summertime.
Summertime.
Yeah.
Yay.